Osbra here, and today I would like to introduce you to a new affiliate program. Basically, this is a new way to monetize your audience, your work, and your efforts with Crypto Fund Trader. I will show you right now how to proceed and how to become one of the CFT affiliates. You just go to on the website, on the CFT website, and as you can see here, you have an affiliate link. So you just click on it. You just click on affiliate, and there is two steps that you have to respect in order to properly apply. So the first thing, the very first thing, is to click on become an affiliate. All right, because some people just go straight to the discount code customization. All right, and they apply for a code. But if you don't have an account already, an affiliate account already, it's not going to work. Basically, because we cannot tie the custom code to an account that doesn't exist, right? I hope that makes sense. So here you go there and you click on become an affiliate. So you will have a form to complete with like fields to fill just here. So you will just type your name, your email address, you will set up your password, your country, your address, you sign up. What's going to happen? You're going to receive an email saying that you can now access your dashboard. I will show you quickly. Your dashboard will look like this, basically. As you can see, John CFT, this is a demo account. You have your referrals here, so you will see all the referrals that you onboarded. You will have the commissions with the amount that you earned, the payouts that you processed, the reports, etc., the assets if you want to be paid in USDT or in USDC or whatever. Here you will have basically the amount that you can withdraw. You will have your discount code, etc. So first, create your affiliate accounts, as I said, by clicking become an affiliate. Once it's done, once you have access to your dashboard, you want to go there, right? Create custom discount code. So just same thing. You will type your name, you will type your email, you will type your custom code. So it could be, for example, John 10, let's say. You set up the discount that you want to offer to your community, to your friends, or whatever, right? And then here it will display the percentage of reward that you will get. Of course, it's quite obvious. The higher the discount, the less you get. The lower the discount, the more you get. So I'm not gonna recommend anything. It's up to you. You know your community better. You know your relatives better. You know your friends better. You decide what you want to offer, and you decide what you want to get. So basically, you will type your name here. Let's say John CFT. You will type your email. So crypto fund trader John at gmail.com, for example. All right. And let's say we want to have a 10% discount code and 2% reward per affiliate. So we'll just click on submit. Basically, I might have like an error because I already have the code submitted, but basically you click here, it will just load a little bit and it will say it's been, you see, thank you for requesting your custom code. It will be created and added to your affiliate dashboard within the next 24 hours. So the team will approve your discount code. And basically what's going to happen, it will be tied to your account because remember, we've set up an account here, an affiliate account with an email, and then we have the same email just here, right? We added the same email. Um, we added the same email just here when we created the discount code, right? So what will happen after that? You will go to your dashboard, you will refresh, okay? So just refresh the page, refresh your dashboard, and here you will see that you have your coupon available, John 10, all right? John 10 will be available here, and you will have the link right here. So what you want to do, you want to share this link so you can get your reward, and you want to share this code so your community can get the discount. Okay, it's very important. This will provide the discount to the community and this will give you your reward. Okay, so never forget to share your link alongside your discount code. Very, very important. As simple as it is, if you have any question, please let us know in the comment. If you also have any feedback, let us know what you think in the comment section below that YouTube video. Thank you for watching. See you later and enjoy the rewards. Cheers.